Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. So in today's video I just want to show you one thing. This guy is online, means it is confirming his presence by this green signal. So if you want to have such kind of green light here, that means you are available, you are present. There is a simple property which you can go and activate. Or if you do not want it to be like this, you can deactivate that property, and that property is this one, glide UI presence disabled. Let me go to properties. So this presence is enabled by default, and if you would like to stop it, just write true here, then save it. After some time this green line will be disappear. It means it says that your presence is not confirmed, is your presence is not active. You see it is gone now. Okay, so these are the few properties which you have to keep in check if you want to let your fellow developers know that you are working, you are doing something, and you are online. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.